In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0X800F081F error Windows 11 update. So first thing you're going to do is go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and type in IP config space /flush DNS and press enter. So once the first command loads, now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. So it should be winsock space reset. Then press enter and let it load. Now you want to type in netsh space int space IP space reset space reset log.txt. Press enter and let it load, and then you're gonna write the next command, which is netsh space winsock space reset space catalog, and then press enter and let it load. Now you need to type, once you have finished running this, now you can type in IP config space /renew and press enter. Lastly, you can just type in sfc space /scan now and press enter, and this might take a few minutes. Just let it scan, and once it's done, you can just close this down. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to this PC, C drive, and down here you will see Windows. So go to Windows, and here you will see distribution. So it should be here, software distribution, and all you have to do is just delete everything in this folder. So these are useless folders, just delete them, right click and delete. Then you close this down. Now restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. So last thing you're gonna do is go here, type in services, click on services, and find Windows Update. So Windows Update should be over here all the way down, and you should find it here. So once you find Windows Update, you want to right click, properties, and select automatic, and then you want to select apply and OK. And here you want to select now start if it's not already started. If it's already started, you want to simply just select it and just restart it. So you could either restart it through here or like click the restart button here. And after that, you want to just restart your computer, and hopefully your issue is fixed.